One of the things that I enjoy about being a lawyer is really assisting people in identifying in their lives what's important, what their ultimate goals are, and really helping them to achieve those goals or outcomes. My name is Michael Maloney. I'm a partner at Edwards Family Lawyers. I've been working as a lawyer for over 15 years. I'm a Law Society of New South Wales accredited specialist in family law. I also hold a Master's in Commercial Litigation. My primary role at the firm is in relation to property and parenting matters and supervising the other lawyers in the office in relation to their files. Divorce is an area that is sometimes considered to be fairly straightforward, and it's certainly something that people can do themselves, and there's forms on the court website. It is important though that people do get advice before they file any divorce application. Certain things like the date of separation and how you describe the parenting arrangements can really impact upon your property settlement or your parenting application, and so the significance needs to be explained at the time that the form's being filed. When someone has just separated from their spouse, there's various things that can happen, and lawyers sometimes break them up into interim matters and more final matters. They should get advice as early as possible, particularly in relation to those interim things such as whether they should stay in the home or not, whether they've got access to a bank account or they're concerned that someone else might take some money out of that account. What are the immediate arrangements in terms of the parenting? Because those initial decisions can have a huge bearing on the complexity of the matter down the track, and that corresponds with the costs of the matter. So you really want to be focusing on what are the important and relevant decisions that you need in order to progress the matter so that it'll settle as soon as possible. Parenting matters are conducted initially between the parties themselves. They're required to undergo certain dispute resolution procedures. When dealing with parenting matters, it's important that people get advice as soon as possible. It's a real process of education I've found over the course of the matter or the litigation. Ideally, you want to avoid those litigation processes. And so the sooner that you can understand what's relevant and your mindset in terms of how you approach parenting, the better, and the less complicated the matter will be, the less time it will take to resolve, and the less money it will cost you. So if you can find a lawyer that you've got a rapport with who can assist you in that education process, you've got a much better chance of getting an outcome that you're happy with.